Here, keep going.
Go, Holly, go, 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 go.
Ah, Malcolm!
Malcolm!
Holly, look, you're missing.
No, I'm only going right here.
Come on, guys, let's go. How come the light's still on in the bathroom?
You guys missed all these eggs up here. Why did you do that?
Come on down, Emily.
I'm getting all the chocolates that's up here first that everybody missed.
Oh, you know what, Emily? The Easter Bunny left a note. You guys are you're not supposed to participate, Emily.
Oh well.
Malcolm, I believe that's Mom's. Just leave it alone, bud. Just leave it alone. It's Mom's.
Emily, smile. This is all yours, I found yours a Chloe kit.
Okay, now smile.
Chloe chocolate thing right there.
Sit down and smile.
That's mine. That's not yours. Don't worry, Malcolm.
Eggs opened.
Anybody want to go to the basement with me?
There's chocolate over here. You